The fun with friction experiment will start with an attractive craftwork of Astronaut. Once the artwork is done, we'll cut the unwanted cardboard using a scissor and retain only the required area. We'll add one more feature which provides aesthetic look to our astronaut and also helps to hold him firmly to the hanging thread. Now, we'll take a straw of 1 inch length and pass the thread through it. Then, we'll place it inside the plastic ring like this and close the cap. Astronaut is fixed to the cap in such a way that when we see the assembly, the ring will appear as a profiler with its shield. Now, the real fun starts. Whenever we want, we can make our astronaut to slide down and we can stop him as per our wish. To do this, we have to firmly tie one end of the flexible thread to a nail which is certainly at a significant height. Other end of the thread is free and is held by the operator who likes to play with it. One can make him to slide down or stop as per his wish. It will be of great fun for kids to play with such a toy which works without any external sources like battery and motor. This works initially by the muscular energy of the operator. Along with it, friction plays an important role. We'll go through its working principle to know the physics behind it. When thread is loose, astronaut descends and he stops when it's tight. As discussed, when a flexible yarn thread tied to a nail at one end and free at other is pulled from the bottom, the thread will be under tension. Tension in the thread imparts significant static friction, arresting its movement. We can repeat the same experiment using a cloth clip. Hang a cloth clip to cotton thread as shown and fix it to the astronaut. Instead of tying the thread, this time we'll roll over the thread to one of the small branch of the tree. Now, instead of one, we have two free ends of the thread which will be held by the operator using both hands. When thread is pulled alternatively at uniform speed, the clip descends as if someone climbing down the ladder. This is again due to the friction between the thread and clip. Thus, friction allows us to hold on to objects without dropping them, which is one of the greatest advantages of friction for us.